friends, welcome to Maths Made Easy, and today one of our subscribers, Sonu Kumar M, had emailed me to my email and asked whether I could solve a question for him. So now he asked this question and I just wrote it in this box and will be solving in this box. So my email is there in the about hiyaduvirjindal@gmail.com. This is just our work email where you can ask us questions. Now the question asked is this. Wait, let me take this mark. Yeah. The question asked is this. And we have to find the slope, x and y intercept. Now what is x and y intercept? The x and y points of that line. First you know what is the slope. You know the formula for the slope, but in this we won't be using the formula. We'll be using the basics and finding out what to do. So be with me. Let's start. Now the first step is, if you want full marks and you want to do this with full steps, then just follow these steps I'm doing. See, the first step I do is I write the equation as it is. Writing, so you can do it, write the equation as it is, but there is one more step that you have to follow. Sorry, this writing and this is actually a little tougher. Yeah, m6+34, write it as it is. Yeah, now what is the form in which you write y is equal to mx plus b? You have to write it correct. You have to write it ekdam correct. Now write y equals to mx plus b. Now you have to find the slope. X and the y. Am I right? You have to find the x, y and the slope from this given equation. Now in this equation, let's see here, this is m6 and this is mx. So in this, can we tell that 6 is m, 6 is x is 6? Can we justify that? That is simple, okay? But what is b? Is b a variable or a constant? In this equation, b is a variable and b is the y-intercept. You must be thinking 8 is under y, so 8 is the y-intercept. 8 is instead just for counting the variable. Actual y is 34. This is one confusing fact. First, so you just write 6. X is 6. Next point is slope. Slope will do it. Y is the b location. The thing above b. This pair of b is always the y-intercept. 34. Now go and write 34. Y as 34. Now what is the slope? What is the slope? Slope is always m. Here what will be the m? Here you have to solve the equation and find out m. How do we find out m? M is equal to 4, 8. So m will be equal to 8. This is by 6. Plus 34, 8 minus 34 by 6. Got it? 8 minus 34 by 6. 8 minus 34 by 6. 8 minus 34 by 6. If you do, you get the correct answer. This is how you solve this question. So what is the slope? Simple, very easy. The slope is, or you can directly write this slope as 8, but if you are asked to find out slope and 2 markers, actually the slope is 8. The y-intercept becomes the slope, the y becomes the b and x remains the x. This is how you solve. M is m 2 variables. M has 2 variables. So in this we use 8 minus 34, then we get around 24 by 6, which is 4. So our slope will be 4. Understood? Got it? Anyone has a doubt? So our slope will be 4. Understood? So let me explain you a little bit more. Y mx plus b. This is first step. 6 you write it as x. and then y will be 34. Slope will be 4 because 8 minus 34, 8 minus 34 by 6, which is 24 by 6, which is 4. These are the steps have to use. So hope you understood, Sonu Kumar M. If you have any questions, email us, or in the comments you can write down if you have had any difficulty. You can just email us that yes, I understood, and if you have any another doubt, you can ask us. Okay, any doubt you have, you can ask us. Wait, what happened? Yeah, so hope you understood this. This part is clear, and thank you. And